I love tacos, but you know what I like more than tacos? Tostadas. I say forget Taco Tuesday, Tostada Tuesday. Who is with me? We are making citrusy pork tostadas with cilantro hominy salad. One of my favorite things about a tostada is you can load it up with twice as many toppings as you could fill a taco. And there is something amazing about that. Plus, if you put out all of your toppings and set up a tostada bar, you have the ideal build and eat situation. First things first, we want to get that citrusy pork in the oven because it's going to cook for about 1 hour and 15 minutes. This is 3 pounds of lean pork shoulder that I cut into 3/4 inch pieces. And we're going to go ahead and add this to a large roasting pan. To the pork, we're going to add 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil. Now it's time for the citrus. First up, we are going to add 1/4 cup of fresh clementine juice. So let's go ahead and cut these in half. And then we're gonna juice it right into the pork mixture. And we're going with 2 citruses here. So in addition to the clementines, we are gonna be using some fresh lime juice. So now we're gonna add an herb here. We are gonna be adding some fresh oregano. So we wanna add about 6 sprigs. And now we just wanna season it really generously with some kosher salt and some freshly ground black pepper. This citrusy pork is inspired by one of my favorite Mexican dishes of all time, carnitas. But of course, we're making sort of a very abbreviated version just so that this is weeknight friendly. Citrusy pork into the oven, 350 degrees, 1 hour and 15 minutes till it's nice and tender. While our citrusy pork gets succulent and tender in the oven, we are gonna prep the ingredients for our salad. This is inspired by Mexican pozole, which is a traditional hominy-based stew. Of course, you cannot have any dish that's inspired by pozole without some hominy. We are using a yellow one here, and this is 2 15-ounce cans that we rinsed and drained. All the other things going into the salad are my favorite pozole toppings, and we are starting with some green cabbage. We need 4 cups of thinly sliced. Once you remove the core, then you just go ahead and thinly slice the cabbage. I said we needed 4 cups. I'm gonna show you a little insidery trick. I'll be right back. A quart container, because this is a quart. If it's full, you're ready to go. All right, let's go ahead and pile this on a platter. Next up, we need some scallions. We need a lot of scallions. We are gonna thinly slice 8 of them. I know it sounds like a lot, but we're making a lot of salad here. Now we need some radishes. You actually want smaller ones, they're better. We are going with what we got. We're gonna go ahead and cut these into thin wedges. And now we need some heat. We've got 2 jalapenos that we're gonna thinly slice. Okay, so this is everything we need for our cilantro hominy salad, but we also want some avocado for topping. Uh-oh, I'm feeling the TikTok move again. Ooh, no. Oh yeah, this is a winner. Got your beautiful avocado ready to go, ready to top. And I'm gonna go ahead and give my hands a wash and we're gonna check on that pork. Ooh, yes, 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 yes. I cooked it for about 1 hour and 15 minutes till it was super tender. Then I removed the foil and I cooked it for about 20 minutes more. All right, let's get going with the dressing. So to this, we're gonna add 1/3 cup of fresh lime juice. We are gonna whisk in 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil. And we're gonna add a lot of extra flavor with some ground cumin. Then we wanna season our dressing with salt and some freshly ground black pepper. Give that a good whisk. So before we incorporate all of these fresh salad ingredients, what I'm gonna do is sort of remove these oregano sprigs here, and we're gonna go ahead and scoop it into this bowl here. You don't wanna waste one little bit of that delicious citrusy pork, and just give it a little toss in that dressing. Now we wanna start incorporating some of these fresh ingredients. So first up, we've got that amazing hominy. Of course, that shredded cabbage, radishes. Last but certainly not least, we are gonna add those scallions, the jalapenos, and then we're gonna add 2 cups of cilantro leaves. Let's give this salad a nice mix. So colorful and pretty. I didn't prefer yellow hominy before, but it looks really gorgeous in this salad. I'm gonna taste it for seasoning really quick. Mmm. I got a jalapeno in my first bite. This salad is looking so good. And you absolutely cannot have Tostada Tuesday without your tostadas. I buy them pre-fried, plus a little hot sauce. You got yourself a tostada bar right here. Oh yeah, jumping in, I am making a tostada, flying saucer, headed right for my mouth, because I can take the heat in this kitchen. I'm gonna add a little extra with some hot sauce. Mmm, it is so perfect with that citrusy pork, that creamy hominy and avocado, and that cumin lime dressing is just like bringing it all together. I don't know about you, but Tostada Tuesdays are a tradition in my house, and if it is not already in yours, I think it's high time you make it one.